Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Coach Kimmy and I am a salon owner, hairstylist, strategic life coach, and an author. You can find my books and courses in the description below, or you could get it on my website, coach-kimmy.com, and that's with a Y. So I'm excited for you to be on this channel. Let's get started. All right guys, Coach Kimmy here. I want to teach you to be creative. Listen, if somebody doesn't have a bang, but they have long hair and they have a long ponytail, let me just show you how to make a bang out of a ponytail. Listen, you're going to flatten this. So you could use something cute if you want to make it nice and pretty. Separate those bangs if you want to have it like over to the side, and you just got to pull a little more forward. Right? And you could always just take your scissor, just come down, grab that little piece, just because I have hers really, really wispy on the back end. So we take it and then we could just like create little bangs. Go a little higher. And then just do this one a little bit on a slight little angle. And do this one on a slight little angle. So cute. You could lift it up a little. And then what you want to do with your ponytail is you could put it in a bun. And of course you have to use bobby pins to like hold things down. Remember, if you could learn on a mannequin head, you will be an incredible hairstylist because they're so rigid. They're not like real hair. So you get better and better and better at using a mannequin head. If you could master them, you got it. All right, so what do you think? So cute, right? Here we go. Cute little updo. Little fancy when you want to go out and you have long hair, but you want to try a bang without making a full bang. Here you go.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video.